you see it's pretty filthy. So let's do this. Okay, so I am going to use this wheel roller stand. It's so I can move the wheel without actually moving the bike. Pretty useful, I would say. It holds bikes of up to 600 pounds, so it's great. I can use it with my Harley. These chain cleaner from Maxima, chain wax, lube, this fine sea brush, and just water. So I'm gonna put the stand under the wheel now. If you're gonna work on the back, this is how you put it on. If you're gonna work on the front, this. So we're doing the back this way. Okay, so I'm gonna do a demo now of why I did it this way. Let's see if it works. So instead of moving the bike, I just grab the rim, and then it's easier to rotate the wheel. So for the sake of my neighbors, I'm going to use this to not make a mess at the bottom. So I'm gonna use my cardboard and Jesus. Okay. Put it behind the chain to avoid mess. Maxima cleanup chain cleaner, and we're gonna apply the first layer. It says that it's better when the chain is cold, and we're also gonna let it sit for 60 seconds. Okay, I think it's safe to say it's been 60 seconds. So we're gonna I'm gonna grab the brush and start cleaning the chain. The smell is pretty strong, so you can wear a mask if you want. You don't have to, you don't want to. I'm also gonna use a little bit of water. I'm gonna use my very dirty but very useful rag just to clean it in general. Oh, my bad. Water. Okay, time to do a close-up. Before, after, before, after. Now, you see this? That's definitely not dirt. It looks like it's corroded. So I'm gonna use this to give it a little love, but that's at the end. So again, you can clean it as much as you want, or as many times as you want. I don't know how thorough you want to be, but now it's time for me to turn the wheel. And I'm gonna keep working on the rest of the chain. Okay, so this bike is definitely gonna need a second clean, but that's okay. We can do that some other time. For now, I am going to add some chain wax lube. Make sure you put it in the middle. And it says that we should let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do it. So I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or recommendations of how you would do this better or how you would do it, just let me know so I can share. Thank you.